Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not necessarily me doing anything new to my car, it's more of an update. So maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I made a post on TikTok. I'll just leave the clip right here for you guys. I turned on my car today because I was trying to reverse it and there was a really weird sound. I'm going to turn on the car right now, so maybe you guys can help me figure out what is wrong. So essentially in that clip, I was asking you guys, why does my car shut off when I reverse and when I put my car in drive? So I got a couple answers from you guys. I did a lot of research to see what it was. And when I looked inside my engine bay, I did notice that my air intake hose had a big hole in it. I feel like that's the reason why the car would shut off. So maybe a couple days ago, me and my boyfriend changed out the air intake hose. So we got a new one. And the problem seems to be fixed now. I just wanted to start my car up for you guys so you guys can hear it yourself and also take a look at how the new air intake hose looks. So let me just go ahead and open up the hood. I still have tape on my car from when I was doing the headlights, so don't worry about that. So that's the new air intake hose. It is brand new. So the previous one I'm going to put on the screen right now had a huge crack in it. So now that you guys have seen the entire engine bay as well as the air intake hose, now I'm just going to start the car. I'm going to start the car so you can hear the engine. Then I'm going to reverse and also drive forward. And if the car does not cut off, then hopefully that means the problem is fixed. Now we're going to see how the car drives. There's no AC in the car yet, so the window has to be open. Ignore everything in the back. I'm about to change my interior, so I just decided to leave it in the car. It was taking up too much space in the garage. So let's reverse first. And if we're lucky, the car should not stop. I do need to change my brakes though. Whoops. I completely dropped my camera. Okay. I'm just gonna have to hold it. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Let's drive it forward. Everything seems to be fine. Let's put it in park and have a look at the engine bay again. Everything is cool. So yeah, that was just a quick update on my car. I'm just glad that my car is working and running really well without any major, repairs that needs to be done to it. This thing, the air intake hose, only cost me about $30. So I got really lucky. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.